Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my listeners and my viewers. This is Moshir Rahman in front of you, and today I am going to share about Bangladesh Cricket Academy. You know that Bangladesh has a reputation of cricket, and Bangladesh has Cricket Academy, and the short form is BCB. And Bangladesh Cricket Academy has lots of reputation from it published in 1997. It was the most important time of Bangladesh cricket. Year of 2000, that time Bangladesh it was played the first match with Sri Lanka in Dhaka Stadium, and the stadium name was Sri Bangla National Cricket Academy. And they provide their all of the best, and every time there are lots of players came in Bangladesh, and they're passing their time. In that moment, they also include in ICC tournaments. There are Asia Cups and T20 World Cups. Bangladesh try to give their best, and the moment ODI tournament or ICC T20 tournament or Asia Cup. It's my hope, and it's every Bangladeshi dream, because cricket is a dream for every Bangladeshi. And that's about my Bangladesh and Bangladesh cricket dream. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum.